What is up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today I've been slacking, I know, but I was building a bunch of crazy stuff, and so we're finally gonna bring you the video of AMR Turbo Kit numero dos that is on Tristan Cox's car, and it's on there. It looks fantastic. We're just on some 93. I'm gonna get it tuned today because it's all installed, looking good. We're pretty stoked about it. And this time I made a true custom dual exhaust. So this exhaust, guys, it does not come with the turbo kit. The turbo kit ends at the downpipe right down there. Does not come with anything else exhaust related. It ends at the downpipe. You gotta take it to an exhaust shop, have them connect it. But when the cars are here, we can build a custom exhaust system for it, so I did. So like I said, that's a full 3-inch mandrel bent dual exhaust. Sounds pretty rowdy. I'm gonna go ahead and strap it down, and then we're gonna get going. We got some other cool stuff going on. Still gotta get the bearer in that one. And we got, this is a Pro Charge Coyote. We're gonna be fixing and tuning. It's got a lot of stuff wrong with it. Pretty excited about that one. Obviously, oh, that's the 4.0 Pro Charger. Finally got the SET issue resolved with that, so it's going on the dyno right after this one, maybe even today. We really got to do the brake upgrade on the Subaru. It's kind of driving me nuts. And then this stupid car, we want to make like 1,000 horsepower on it, and it keeps giving us transmission issues. So we got a Ford tech that's helping us out. I'm real good at codes and helping us track down this sensor issue, basically, because it's a range sensor issue. But we've already replaced the trans. Doesn't make any sense. But yeah, guys, it's going pretty awesome here. The rest of the kits are getting ready to go out. Got to make a few more pipes and then we're good. We got our Haas CNC machine up and running, making our nice billet T4 flanges. Voila. So this piece, guys, starts out as one of those. Pretty awesome. But anyways, let's get back to the dyno. Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna do another run here. We just up the boost a little bit. At low boost, low timing, we made 412, 409. So we're gonna crank her up. Maybe a little too much boost. It was coming on super strong, so we got out of it. At 4,000, it was already making 400 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. That's a little strong. We're gonna turn it back down. We only want like 9, 10 PSI, so yeah, that was a little much. That was gonna be a 600 horsepower pull. Woo! Let's try it again. made 574 horsepower. A little ridiculous. Yeah. Look at that. 574, 528. Nice. So another Mafia turbo kit for you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Get your kit today. Make 500 horsepower on 93. Use the 85, make even more. Like, share, subscribe. We will see you next time.